Welcome back. Rashtramogi Goinkars want to make the nation of Hindus. They are RSS elements and are enemies of the nation. Advocate Anaglat Vegas criticized Rashtramogi Goinkars with harsh words. He said, passport is a document of travel. Goans having Portuguese nationality held a meeting in Madgaon on Saturday. They said, we are Goans and migrate for jobs to earn livelihood.
They Rashtriya Mogi, Goinkar Mogi mandate because they are saying for the people who have Portuguese citizenship or this registration to leave Goa. Are we Ghantis? We are Goinkar. Everybody looks like a Goan here. Everybody is a decent fellow. So why we should leave Goa? And who are these people to tell us to leave Goa? We want a solution, and we are asking the government to give these people a solution.
आम्ही नीज गोंयकार हिंगाच झालेले ह्या गांवांत फकत आमच्या पोटाक लागून चडशे गोंयकार भायर गेले पोट हिंगा आयज आमकां काम मेवलेलें आमी भायर केन्ना हांवें मागीर डिग्री केलें हिंगा डिग्री करून आमकां काम मेवना आहलें त्या पासत पोर्चुगीज पासपोर्ट करपाक पडली त्या टायमार आमकां काम दिलेलें आमी पोर्चुगेजां वचपा ना आहले ओ युरोपा वचपा ना आहले
Passport is a document of travel. Passport is not necessarily a document of citizenship. They are enemies of the nation. They want to have a Hindu Rashtra. Passport having bhayar dhadun, apun Hindu Rashtra karpa sutta anga. Ye idea thingeli. Tenche manana, they sagle RSS elements.
What is Goan rice and curry without tisrio? Yes, Goan dish is incomplete without the culinary dish of shellfish. People were seen thronging to collect tisrio at Vasco. Not just fisher folks, but common men and women were seen walking in the sea just to feel beneath their feet everybody's favorite tisrio. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching